Hey everybody, this is a Signal Model 361 from 1954. Now if you saw my previous video about my Signal 1249 cool spot, this is basically its bigger brother. Although this is still a 12-inch, it's a 3-speed model with a bigger, more powerful motor on it. We'll turn this around to the side here and show you the side profile. It's got the side mount switch on it, 3-speed cutler hammer type. It has a similar profile to my 1249, but the color is a little bit different. This is finished in a gray color. And the wiring on this is all original. We'll show the back really quick. And it pretty much looks similar to the 1249, but like I said, the motor is just a little bigger and more robust. We'll turn this around here and we'll give you a little demonstration of it and run it through the speeds. First speed on this is high. And high speed really rips on this thing. We'll go ahead and put it on oscillation. And we'll go ahead and put it down to medium speed. It's got a good separation of speeds on it. Low is really nice and slow on this fan. It's very quiet. We'll take it back up to high now. And we'll shut it off. And this thing has a pretty long coast down time on it. The bearings are in really good shape. And it just keeps going. And that will do it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it to be informative, and we will have more to come. Thank you for watching, and later.